Myself, Dr. Parag Sawant, consultant ENT specialist. Tonsils infections are very common infection in the general population. Most of the tonsil infections are acute infections. That is, most individuals get one rare episode of tonsil infection which can be treated by general practitioners themselves. And these subside and these individuals never get them back. But some people tend to get repeated tonsil infection, especially if there is some immunity issue or if they are in the habit of eating too many cold things or sour things. So we would advise patients who have episodes of tonsil infection which are more than 3 times a year for 3 consecutive years to meet an ENT surgeon to consider for tonsil surgery. Even individuals who have tonsil infections which are more frequent than 5 episodes per year for 2 consecutive years or 7 episodes of tonsil infection in 1 calendar year should be considered for tonsil surgery. There are other reasons why tonsil surgery which may be needed, like some patients having difficulty in swallowing due to hypertrophic tonsils, or something called as obstructive sleep apnea. That is, the size of the tonsils is making it difficult for them to breathe during sleep, leading to apneic spells, that is stoppage of breathing during sleep. So in these cases, a tonsil surgery would be needed. Thank you.